Is a $50 million verdict is the final answer or the most expensive mystery ever sold? Hi, I'm Aman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 12 p.m. Donald Trump fires Pam Bondi amid Epstein files backlash. Attorney General Pam Bondi was fired by the US President Donald Trump on Thursday after being frustrated by her performance. According to the sources, Trump felt that Bondi was not doing enough. She did not move quickly enough to prosecute critics and adversaries. He wanted his adversaries to face criminal charges. Kerosene prices increased after petrol and diesel hike. The government has further increased the price of kerosene oil following recent hike in petrol and diesel prices, adding to the financial burden on consumers. According to the latest notification, the price of kerosene has been raised by Rs 34.08 per litre. After the increase, the new price of kerosene has reached Rs 467.48 per litre. Sultans clash with Qalandars in PSL. Today in PSL 11, Multan Sultans and Lahore Qalandar clash with each other. Both of these teams are well balanced and can deliver match-winning performances. Hence, the encounter will be difficult to predict. Suicide bombing at Domal police station in Bannu leaves 5 civilians dead, 13 injured. Suicide car bomb attack at the Domal police station in Bannu killed at least 5 civilians while 13 others were injured, including one policeman. According to the deceased are the husband, wife, daughter and son from the same family. Pakistan walks into IMF meeting in DC amid war shocks. Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb is expected in Washington on April 11 for 2026 spring meeting for the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank, a visit that has acquired added significance as developing economies grapple with the widening economic fallout of the ongoing war in Iran. Misha Shafi responds after losing defamation case to Ali Zafar. Singer Misha Shafi has responded following the court's verdict in that high-profile defamation case filed by Ali Zafar, in which she was ordered to pay Rs 50 million in damages. The decision delivered by Lahore Session Court after nearly 8 years of proceedings declared Ali Zafar successful in his defamation claim while rejecting the allegations leveled against him. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.